People, welcome back to Politics Watch. Here we have some breaking news regarding the so-called rogue cops that carried out the killing in Chedwin Park. You probably remember when they went and killed Sheldon Daly, aka Junior Biggs. Right now, the 3 rogue cops who carried out the killing were then chased by some other criminal cops. And if you want to hear the story behind that, you need to check out my other video. I'll link it at the end of this video. But 3 rogue cops were chased by some other criminal cops, and basically they crashed. One of the rogue cops was killed. An innocent civilian, Kevron Burrell, also ended up losing his life. But then after the incident, Corporal Kirk Fraser gave an interview with the Gleaner. And most of you probably heard that interview by now. And he lied and he lied and he lied, and basically, I don't know, this man basically really believe that Jamaican people are a bunch of idiots. Well, he was on the run for a while and he eventually turned himself in, right? And now it's been released that both Corporal Kirk Fraser and Ramon Scott, who was the second policeman in the car, this one, Ramon Scott, not many people have heard much about him. We've all heard from Kirk Fraser because he did the interview, but a lot of people were wondering what happened to the second guy who survived. Well, he's also in custody. And today they were charged with 9 offenses, right? Both rogue cops, or alleged rogue cops, are charged with murder, and that's the murder of Junior Biggs, shooting with intent, illegal possession of 2 firearms, illegal possession of their own respective ammunition, and the offense of manslaughter of a man identified as Kevron Burrell, arising from the motor vehicle collision at the junction, right, linking Brunswick Avenue and Job Lane. Yeah, I have to laugh. Basically, what's happening here now? They're charging the rogue cops for killing Kevron Burrell, even though it is known that Kevron Burrell was shot by the policeman who also killed one of the rogue cops. Right? You see what's happening here? So now, first autopsy said Kevron Burrell was killed by the accident. Right? And now they're charging Kirk Fraser and Ramon Scott for manslaughter of Kevron Burrell. So now the chasing cops, the so-called hero cops, who, as I mentioned in my other video, are actually crooks themselves because they're Junior Biggs' bodyguard. Yeah, and it wasn't no one hero cop, there were multiple cops. Right, and after they crash, after the 3 rogue cops crashed in a Kevron Burrell car, it was the so-called hero cops who then went over and killed, or at least shot the driver who was driving the 3 rogue cops, and he then went over and shot Kevron Burrell. Multiple witnesses have stated this, including the father of Kevron Burrell. Right? Even if the death blow was delivered by the accident, there's still no explanation as to why those policemen, those so-called hero cops, had to shot Kevron Burrell. Kevron Burrell had bullet wounds in his body. See, but what they're going to do now, they've thrown all those charges onto the hero cops, right? And Kevron Burrell will get no justice, right? They've pulled the wool over people's eyes, and they're continuing to steadily spread this propaganda that the so-called hero cops are the ones who saved the day, and them shot the youth and killed the youth, right? And nothing is coming out of it because, see, they've charged Kirk Fraser and Ramon Scott for manslaughter, so nothing will come out of these people, right? There'll be no justice for Kevron Burrell, and Indicom still can't explain why there were gunshot wounds inside the youth, right? So Indicom has clearly drink the Kool-Aid. Indicom is also buying the hero cop story, so you know that guy already, right? Because the autopsy report showed that there were gunshots inside Kevin Burrell. But now they're saying, oh, well, the accident killed him, so we could just forget about this. And we still not hear nothing at all about the so-called hero cops. Junior Biggs bodyguard. Right. People, I warned you before in my previous video, this was going to happen. See, tricks. Politics. Politics watch. Manslaughter them a charge. Kirk Fraser and Ramon Scott. Right? For Kevin Burrell's death. People, how that make sense? How will that make sense? First of all, the man who drive the car dead. You charge the 2 passengers them for Kevin Burrell's death. Come on, Jamaican people, open your eyes. You can charge 2 passengers for kill, man. And they weren't driving cars. And I don't care about Kirk Fraser or Ramon Scott. Them can get 10,000 years of jail, I don't care. We are defending the Kevin Burrell situation, the only innocent person in all of this. Let me say that again. Kevin Burrell is the only innocent person in all of this. The road cops, them are crook. The one them will chase them down and shoot up them car crook. And the police them want help cover up this are crook too. Right? That is what we are dealing with right now. Everywhere we look is crook. Manslaughter for Kevin Burrell and there were passengers in the car. Come on. Whitewash. Whitewash. We need to know what's going on with the hero cops. So hold on, they're not getting a charge for the bodyguard criminal. Alleged done. They're not getting a charge for did I use the government weapon and the extra police work where they were not authorized to do. Manslaughter. Jamaican people, when they get tricked again. When they get tricked again. Anyway, jump in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this. Because if you watch my other videos, you can see it was predicted this was going to happen. Right? It was predicted. Let me know what you think, people. Because this is pathetic. And Indicom, who is supposed to be the big investigators, clearly drink the Kool-Aid. Because if they didn't drink the Kool-Aid, if they weren't buying this ridiculous story, they would also have the chasing cops under some kind of investigation. But this is the narrative they might run with. Good cop, bad cop. Because that helps the Jamaica Constabulary Force's image. Because it shows them that, look, yeah man, them one they bad, but these ones are good. So people can go, oh yeah man, yeah, good and bad. The 2 of them are crook. The road cops and the one that chase them. Watch my other video and I explain it to you fully. What go on. About good cop. You know good cop. All crook them.